I've probably talked to about 5 to 10 3D printing companies, whether it was directly to the company or to a sales company that distributes the printers. And to put it lightly, B9 has been by far the best customer service experience that I've had so far. They've been willing to work with me on more sample parts. They wanted to keep testing sample parts even after we had said we're going with the printer. Honestly, the customer sales rep went above and beyond, giving me all the information I needed. And what really stood out was the response time and how easy it is to talk to and how knowledgeable that you guys really are. And one thing that I really enjoyed was I actually got to have a call with one of the tech guys, which is not usual or typical at some of those other companies. You're always talking to the sales rep, which it's okay, but it doesn't necessarily get you those answers that you're looking for. So I thought that was really, really good. Yeah, I told this to the sales guy, and I thought it was the best experience that I've had in a lot of customer service relations, regardless of just 3D printer companies. But that is one of the big things that stood out, is that we noticed you guys are more of a family-oriented company. It seems like you're all close-knit, and you bring in your customers in the same way.